Yeah, man. Greetings. Once again, abo ayalew amlak eruseke mankamunu silo samanzi zinyole ngwenye uboya bengwe. Ndifuna unazisa bakwethu on the 26th, 27th, 28th of this month of June will be in Grahamstown. We are having an event, we are having a lecture, we are having a 3-day show where we are talking about amasiko nezithethe nendlela zabantu. We'll be there with live performances, we'll be there with discussions, we'll be there with question and answers. You'll have an opportunity to ask your questions and have answers, and let's have a discussion, let's have a conversation about who we are, where we come from, and where do we go on from here. Masdibane Kona, Grahamstown, 26, 27, 28 July. See you there. Blessed Lord.
One shine your little light, yeah. Maria came in last night. Usimeladu petty package really nice. Nginenjabulo ngizokwazi ukuphanda, yeah. Phande ngibavuse kaya, yeah. Matter not the challenges, no. Push for your dreams, yeah. Tell the world we up. Umnyama lang khona ngicela ukukhanya ngalesi sibane wethu ngola. Matter not the challenges, no. Push for your dreams, yeah. Tell the world